two cars. Oh dear. Oh.
That was so close.
Whoa. Oh dear. Oh.
That was so close.
Whoa.
Great stuff. Does he have to wait as well? Because we're on red. Yeah, I think so.
Now, tell me. So we have got two cars turned there, Elaine and the red one. What the van driver should have done better?
Reverse back.
We don't want to reverse back. What he could have done, keep your hand on the steering. What he could have done better? Would he have really gone forward or just hold back behind the stopping line?
Hold back.
What did I say to you on this is a Crossroad Junction? How many cars rules we normally says?
2.
So if you have got two cars, if that lorry want to turn, which it does, now the van is big trouble. Look how problem it is.
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah.
can you see now? So because of one van driver, everything is now in trouble. This is the reason why. This is a very good video. We're supposed to hold back. That van driver should not have gone that far. He should have held back. So if you have got two cars, oh dear. Oh.
That was so close.
Whoa.
We've left enough room.
Well, we did, but obviously luckily the light gone red. But I certain if it wasn't changed, you would have gone forward as well. So if you've got two cars in the middle, don't go.
Right, we can go.
That's a very, very good learning lesson for everyone. Right, I'm going to quickly say. So guys, this was the very, very good example of how not to do the crossroad junctions. So front of the van driver, there were two cars who were turning right, and the van driver decided to cross the stopping line, and the lorry was turning is also the problem. Remember the two cars rule. So if you're in a crossroad junction and if you're turning right and you have already got two cars in front of you, hold back behind the stopping line. Now you may say, what if the traffic behind hold back? Nothing you can do. It's safety reason, because by the time those two cars turn, the traffic light will go red. Now in your exam, if that has happened, like the van driver, if you're the van driver, you will get failed for that. So make sure if you got two cars in front of you who also want to turn right, just don't leave your stopping line. So that is a very good video for all of you and for Rebecca as well to have this experience as well. Okay.